Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Byte, your daily source of knowledge and inspiration. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into a fascinating topic that could change the way you think about money and success. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already so you won't miss any of our insightful content. Let's jump right in. The myth of money. Have you ever wondered how some individuals achieve incredible wealth and success at a young age, while many of us struggle to make ends meet? It's a question that has crossed all our minds at some point. We often fall into the trap of thinking that money is something we have to chase endlessly, working long hours in jobs we may not even enjoy. But what if I told you that there's a different way to look at money? A way that involves understanding the science of becoming rich and leveraging your time effectively. Today, we're going to explore this path that is seldom discussed but holds the key to financial freedom. The value of time. Money, as we've always been taught, is directly tied to the time we invest in our jobs. The more hours we work, the more money we earn. But here's the problem. If you earn a fixed salary, your income remains limited, and it could take decades to accumulate significant wealth. Imagine earning 30,000 rupees a month. According to this equation, it would take you 28 years just to reach 1 crore. And that's without considering household expenses, taxes, and inflation. So, working tirelessly for a fixed salary might not be the path to financial freedom. The game of money. Now, let's change our perspective. Instead of chasing money, what if we started chasing problems? Every successful business in the world is built on solving a specific problem. The bigger the problem, the greater the potential for profit. Whether it's Ola and Uber solving transportation issues, OYO Rooms addressing the problem of affordable accommodation, or Amazon making shopping more convenient, these companies succeeded by providing solutions to real-world problems. Scalability. But solving problems alone isn't enough. To create real wealth, your solution must be scalable. Building a business that reaches a wide audience without being tied to your time is key. Think about software solutions, online courses, or products that can be manufactured in large quantities. For instance, if you're a guitar tutor charging by the hour, your income is bound by time. However, if you create an online guitar course that people can access 24/7, your business becomes scalable and your income potential increases significantly. Delegation and team building. As your business grows, it's crucial to delegate tasks and build a team. You can't do everything on your own, and hiring people with expertise in specific areas can propel your business to new heights. The key is to create systems and processes that allow your business to run smoothly without your constant involvement. This is how you turn a profitable business into a powerful source of passive income. Taste the fruit. Once your business is established and running efficiently, you have two choices. You can either continue to grow and enjoy the profits or consider selling your company at a good valuation. This is where your years of hard work start to pay off, and you reap the rewards. Think about Facebook acquiring Instagram and WhatsApp, or eBay purchasing PayPal. These are examples of entrepreneurs who built valuable companies and cashed in on their success. The ultimate question. Now, here's the ultimate question. Why go through all this effort? It's not just about money. It's about time. Time is our most precious resource, and once it's gone forever. Is it worth sacrificing a significant portion of your limited time for a job that may not fulfill your dreams? Do you want a life that's just a repetitive cycle of work, TV, sleep, and repeat until retirement? If you've watched this far, you've already taken a step toward changing your perspective. Don't just chase money. Chase meaningful problems and impactful solutions. Make a meaningful struggle the aim of your life. So, as we wrap up today's discussion, remember that the path to riches is not about running after money. It's about running after problems and finding solutions. This is the key to achieving your dreams, having financial freedom, and making your time count. If you found this video insightful and thought-provoking, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We appreciate your support, and there are more eye-opening videos coming your way, so hit that bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for joining us on Daily Byte, and remember, the journey to success begins with a change in perspective. Until next time, keep chasing meaningful solutions, not just money.